You just bought a house and you have big plans to renovate it. You want to renovate it before you move in so you don't have to worry about living through the renovations. I get it. Living through the renovations is no easy task. But in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 reasons why you should wait it out and not do them right away. The 5th reason is most important, so stick till the end to find out why. Hi, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, eating, sleeping, playing, working in Markham, Ontario and the surrounding areas of York region, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in this area. My name is Faiza and I've been helping people just like you make that move to Markham and I love it. As a local real estate agent here, I want to help you make that move. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text or send me an email and I'll be happy to help you make a smooth move to Markham. Now let's get into the video. Buying a new house is exciting and depending on your preferences and your budget, you may not have bought a move-in ready house. It may be very tempting to transfer it into your liking, but these are the 5 reasons why you shouldn't jump the guns. Number 1, you want to learn about your new home and its pain points. You want to learn how the house functions and figure out your priorities. For example, you may need more lighting in a room that you didn't realize before, or you may realize that you have plenty of storage and you don't need the custom-made built-ins that you originally planned. Number 2, you want to take the time to plan out your project. Moving is hectic, and during this chaos, if you're planning on how you will renovate, who you will hire, etc., chances of you overlooking critical details are pretty high. Waiting it out will give you the opportunity to meet several contractors instead of rushing to complete the project before you move in. It will also help you sticking to your budget and not making rash decisions. Doing things slowly will give you some breathing room. My 3rd point meshes in with my 2nd point. You want to have a better grasp on your finances. Now that you're paying your mortgage, your other expenses of the house, you will know what you can or cannot afford. After forking out cash for your down payment, your closing costs, moving expenses, it's a good idea to get back on your feet financially before committing to anything else. Number 4, you'll probably change your mind a few times. When you bought the house, you knew you were going to renovate the kitchen completely. But now that you've lived in the house, you might end up liking the older wood cabinets. And you might decide that, you want to paint it instead of demolishing the whole thing. Or you might see that having a finished basement with a family room and a guest suite has become more important to you than redoing the bathroom. Your perspective will shift once you move into your home because it's hard to know how your family will use each space until you're actually living there. While test driving your house, take note of which rooms you spend the most time in. Also consider what you would like to do but currently are not able to do, like working out in the home gym or entertaining in the backyard. Point number 5, and I think this is the most important point. You'll need a break. Buying a home can take its toll, from qualifying for a mortgage to house hunting to negotiating with the sellers and handling closing costs. The homeowner journey can be very stressful and an exhausting one. After going through all that, plus packing and moving, the last thing you need is the headache of a remodeling project. Taking the time to revive yourself after purchasing your property can help you think more clearly when you're ready to make the next set of big decisions, like picking what to renovate. Don't forget to talk to your realtor. They can help you with which renovations have better return on investment. That's all for the 5 reasons why you should wait before doing the renovations. I hope you found some value in this video, so whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I will be happy to help you make a smooth move to Markham. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to learn everything there is to know about living in York region. Until next time, I'll see you around town.